Welcome. This is survival tip number 96 on how to make a lower leg splint outdoors using limited materials. For today's scenario, we have two gentlemen hiking in the woods to represent an injury that could happen. This applies to anyone such as hikers, hunters, hippies, and any other person who enjoys the outdoors.
The following scene was filmed by trained professionals. Nobody was injured in the making of this film. The materials needed are 3 sticks to create a frame for the splint, a t-shirt and 2 belts to secure them, and a sweatshirt to cushion the leg. The first stick should be the longest stick. Starting at the hip, go down approximately 3 inches past the foot. The second stick should measure to be approximately 3 inches past the foot, but starting at the inseam this time. The third and final stick needed should be approximately 1 foot long. The stick should be straight, sturdy, and non-jagged. This stick is too tall, but this one is too flimsy. We are using 2 belts and a t-shirt as our securing devices for this splint. The sweatshirt is used to provide cushion around the leg, in between the sticks, to prevent abrasions from the splint. If there is nothing available to fulfill such a task, this material is not required. If you have access to cell phone or emergency personnel, utilize professional help before performing these steps. If steps are not followed correctly, more damage may ensue. Do not try anything that you do not feel comfortable doing. If you are able, assist your partner to a flattened surface, using a tree or log as a backrest. Warning! If the leg or ankle appears to be broken or feels sprained in any way, do not attempt to set or realign the extremity. Next, we wrapped the leg with a sweatshirt to protect it. If you do not have a sweatshirt, any extra material would do. If you do not have anything to wrap the leg with, this step is not necessary. Then, place the medium stick against the inside of the injured leg. The next stick should be the longest stick, and place it along the outside of the leg. All sticks can be replaced with any other rigid object, such as, but not limited to, a hiking pole, an unloaded rifle or shotgun, umbrellas, etc. Proceed to use your securing devices, in this case belts, to secure the sticks in place, one above and one below the injury. Don't secure the straps too tight around the leg to prevent loss of circulation. You do not want to tie the brace over top of the area that is injured. In the event that you do not have 2 belts, some other options that can be used are shoestrings, lanyards, or extra clothing material. Last, place the shortest stick at the bottom of the foot. Secure it in place with a t-shirt, string, or whatever material you have. This prevents flexion of the foot, which can increase pain. If you have no extra material, this step may also be skipped. To secure the last stick, start by securing the longest stick on the outside of the foot. Then take the t-shirt to loop around the foot and secure it to the stick on the inside leg. Make sure all loose ends are tucked in to prevent either party from tripping while exiting the woods. The final steps consist of assisting the injured person onto their feet. Request the injured hiker to use their non-injured leg to push off of the ground as you pull them onto their feet. Once on their feet, stand on their injured side. Have them place their arm over your shoulders to exit the woods.
Prevention is always the key in minimizing chance of injury. To reduce the chance of spraining or breaking a limb, wear high-ankled hiking boots to increase stability. Watch where you're walking at all times to avoid stepping on rocks or loose branches. Travel in pairs, and pack a first aid kit to help with any minor injuries that occur.